Hi there, welcome back to JD Wired. Today we're reviewing the COMICA EJoy D10A, which is a dual USB and XLR dynamic microphone made for gamers, streamers, podcasters, and creators who demand pro-grade audio and some RGB flair. The D10 features a sleek all-black metal construction with a sturdy arm. The mic comes with the dynamic RGB lighting offering 6 custom modes: audio dynamic, C-Wave, colorful breathing light, Comica orange, and rotating rainbow. And also with this RGB, it also has 4 optical effects. These vibrant RGB lights ignite an incredible live stream atmosphere. The microphone features a cardioid polar pattern, a large diaphragm dynamic microphone designed to capture sound sources directly in front of it, effectively reducing off-axis noises. Its wide frequency response ensures a rich and detailed audio output, even in challenging environments. This device ensures a lossless audio delivery with a high sampling rate of 48 kHz and 24-bit depth, fulfilling a strict post-production standards. Its integrated sound card precisely balances and enhances audio. Moreover, Comica's exclusive CalMix audio processing algorithm accurately isolates vocal frequency, effectively removing unwanted noises. And I'll test the denoise function next. So I'm testing the denoise right now, and there's a button on the top, and which we saw that earlier, and it turns green. So I'm going to go ahead and push that, and now the denoise is on. The arm's a little shaking right now. Let me calm that down. But now you can hear how it sounds, but I really don't have anything on. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and turn on my ceiling fan right now. So I turned on the ceiling fan because if you ever do any podcasting or if you do any video recording in a certain room that has the AC inside it, which I do, it's in the closet here, you hear a lot of that humming sound, and no denoise or whatever is going to cut that out. That's just too loud. But what I do now is I go ahead and turn on my ceiling fan, and let me show you that ceiling fan right here. And it's right above my desk, and it does have a humming sound to it. All right. And there's the camera there. I mean, the microphone. So I'm going to go ahead and turn on the denoise now. I wanted to make sure you hear it first before I turn it back on again. All right. So I got it on. There it is. The noise is on. So now I'm going to get quiet and let me know if you hear it. So let's go ahead and turn it back on. And now I'm going to stay quiet to see if you hear it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and record with the noise on to make sure I don't have this in my video. So I'm turning it back on. And just to let you see it, where it's there it is. It's on. You can see me in that camera. And we'll continue from here. So remember, the denoise is going to be on from this point on. Real-time monitoring. Check. Just plug in your headphones and you're ready. You also get 4-level gain controls and stepless volume monitoring. Now let's test the 4-level gain. For the gain control, you got 4 levels. And right now I have it set on 2. So this is how it sounds on 2. I'm about 4 or 5 inches away still. The denoise is off, even though I said earlier I was going to keep it on. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and switch it back to 1. All right, now I have it on 1. It actually was on 3 before, but we're going to go over each one. So this is 1. I'm going to count to 5. Remember, the ceiling fan is on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the gain level 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're going back to number 3. Gain level is on 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now the last one. And as we get louder, we can see we can hear the ceiling fan on the 4th one. Okay, gain level is on 4. Let me make sure I got this right here. The gain level is on 4. Ceiling fan is off. Denoise is off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How does this sound? You got to each gain levels. And remember, I'm still the same distance away. Now, you can see this little rug here, which is actually a soundproof one. And I have one here. I have one on my sidewall, and I have one on the floor. And I do have a carpet. So you got to have the acoustics to make sure that it's not going to sound like an echo effect. If you get this and you hear an echo effect, it's because it needs more soundproof on there. So I made sure my studio always is soundproof, that all the voice stays in here and it has that good sound. And remember, I'm still talking to you on 4. So how does this sound? So I'm going to go back to number 2 and keep it there. Earlier, I thought I put it on 2, but it was on 3. But how did this sound in the beginning? Was it too loud? Was it great? Was it good? Let me know in the comments below. Control your podcast or gaming streaming audio easy with the EJoy D10 gaming microphone's one-click mute button, located conveniently on top. This feature also allows for immediate muting in emergencies, preventing the recording of unnecessary sounds. You can also switch between the 3 EQ profiles: bass, natural, bright to match your voice or vibe. It's a great touch for content creators who like the option without diving into post-editing. Let me perform a test on the EQ profiles. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and go to each one. And right now, it is blue. On the camera, it may see a different color, but right now it's on blue. So this is nature, more of a natural sound. So let's see how this sounds. I'm going to count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and take off the denoise. And just to hear you see the sounds of it, how it sounds without the denoise. Ceiling fan is on, so we're going to go with that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, so that's that one. We're going to go and switch this. It's on green, so it's a bright. So we're going to go ahead and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now this is with the denoise off. So we got to put it back on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so I'm going to go for the next one. And next one is orange, which is more of a deep, which is more of a bass sound. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now denoise is on still, so we're going to go ahead and take that off. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And you can also see that I'm not close to this microphone. I'm about 4 inches away, which is the recommended distance away from your microphone. And this is the EQ profiles. The EJoy mic offers unparalleled compatibility, which is dual digital, which is USB-C, and analog, which is XLR outputs. This versatile design allows for seamless connection to a wide range of devices, including sound cards, recorders, mixers, computers, mobile phones, and tablets. What sets the EJoy D10 apart from its dual output USB-C for plug-and-play digital recording, such as mobile phone devices and tablets and PCs? Is by giving you examples during this video of using your cell phone with the Type-C USB microphone, which also has an XLR, of course, is that you could use this. You could take this on the go. You could have it here in the studio like I do, and you could use this anywhere you need to. I have the microphone connected using an XLR cable, and I got it going to my podcast machine. It's a Zoom here. This thing is a PodTrack 4, I believe. And this is what I use for podcasting or if I need to do some voiceovers. But I'm starting this because I want to show you how to use a Type-C USB going through your computer. Or for me, using this docking station. And I'm going to connect it right here in the front. And you can see where I have it connected using the adapter, the USB-A adapter. And I'm going to go ahead and connect the USB cable to it now. And that way I could continue using Audacity, and I could show you step by step on how to use that with it. Before we begin, all the audio from here will be coming from my camera. Once I hit record on Audacity, it will be coming from the EJoy D10 microphone. So first let's set this up. So we're going to go to Audio Setup. We're going to hit Recording Device. And right now you see where it's on microphone 4, Comica EJoy. So that's good. That's what we want. So I'm going to click on that. So I'm going to come over here and press record. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is a test on the EJoy D10. Now what we're going to do is export the file. And we're going to name it EJoy D10 audio test stereo mode. All right, so we're going to get rid of this one. Next, we're going to go to audio setup, recording channels, and we're going to hit mono because when we're doing podcasting, usually it's just one channel. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and record. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is an audio test on mono channel, meaning one channel. All right, so we're going to export this one out as well. Export audio. EJoy D10 audio test mono channel. How about the XLR for professional analog setups such as mixers and podcast equipment? Let's demonstrate this for you. Okay, so you saw earlier when I was using the microphone with an XLR cable. Now I'm going to show you an example when I use the microphone during one of my podcasts. And then we'll go ahead and continue with the review. Well, for all those listening right now, this is Unfiltered Circle Podcast, and I'm James, and I'm sitting here with Sandra.
Hello.
And today we're talking about what drives you crazy, especially about driving. Because I'm one of those drivers that, man, if you slow down on a speed bump where you're going to do a stop, why are you even on the road? Get out of the road. Go somewhere. I'm just kidding, Sandra.
I'm like, I don't stop at the speed bump. I slow down.
Kidding. No, you know what gets me more is when after they go, first they take their time over the speed bump. Then it takes them a while just to press the gas to go. This microphone gives you creative freedom with minimal setup. The Comica EJoy D10 Pro wireless RGB microphone provides adaptable mounting solutions, featuring an optical boom arm and a desktop stand for versatile recording setups. The robust all-metal boom arm offers extensive adjustability and can support equipment up to 3 pounds, ensuring the flexibility for any recording style. If you're looking for a versatile professional quality mic with gaming aesthetics and studio features, the Comica EJoy D10A deserves a spot on your desk. Whether you're recording podcasts, going live on Twitch, or just chatting in high fidelity, this mic has you covered. If this video was helpful for you, please like this video because it really helps the channel grow. If you're interested in this product, I'll put links in the description down below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and select all notifications because I got other tech gadgets, and I also do dashcam reviews and dashcam installations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.